Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. So first thing is open the Snapchat application. Now once you're logged in into the account, you tap on your profile icon on the top left, tap that. If you scroll down, you will find that in my account I have this option of create public profile. But in your case, you're not having this option or you cannot see the option to create your public profile. You can follow these simple step for you to have this option. So first thing is you need to go to the home page and open the Google Play Store. There on the search bar you type in Snapchat and make sure that the Snapchat is up to date. That is, the Snapchat you have is of latest version. If you need to update, you can just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. This is one way how you can solve this issue. Now what you need to do, even after updating the application, you're not having this option of public profile, you go to the setting on the top right. In the setting you scroll down and there in the privacy control you tap on contact me. There you need to make sure the option stays at everyone. Then go back again, go to send me notification, and there's you need to tap on option everyone so that everyone on Snapchat can send you a notification. The second is view my story. Tap on that. Here also you need to tap on everyone option. Go back. At the end you need to go and see the option see me in quick ad. Tap that. Here you need to tap on the checkbox ticking it that show me in quick ad. Quick ad helps friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchat quick ad if you share your mutual friend or another connection. Go back and at the end you need to go to the see my location. Tap that. Here the ghost mode is currently active, so you turn it off by tapping on the toggle, and you need to make sure that the checkbox stays on my friend. Now go back and remove the Snapchat from your background. Again, open the Snapchat for once. Now you can go to the profile and check whether the public profile option pops or not. These are the few ways how you can solve the issue. Even after all that you're not having this option, you can just try uninstalling the current application and reinstall the app from the Google Play Store. Hope this information was useful on how you can fix Snapchat public profile not showing. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.